Okay, so editor parameter hints cycle. So first let me show you what parameter hints are. And if you have a function that VS Code knows about, like the split function, which is part of C#, and this little box, these are the parameter hints. So you can use a character separator, int count, and you can cycle through different parameter hints, right? There are 10 of these, and if you keep going, it will close the box, because that's because we have the cycle set to false. Now, if you set it to true, when the parameters hint show again, and you keep pressing, you cycle through. It doesn't close. I find this behavior to be a little bit more consistent, because sometimes you just want to know how many parameters hints there are, and usually that pertains to how many overloads do you have, right? Because you might have functions with the same name, like the split function, but they have different parameters, and you want to know how many overloads there are. In this case, there are 10, right? So it would be kind of awkward if you kept pressing the down arrow and then you just kind of started selecting the text down here. So I think leaving this option as true, meaning it cycles through, makes more sense.